Eddie, good evening, and at the end of the first day we're absolutely delighted with how the show has gone here today.
Alan, we're here at the RIAC Classic Car Show. How's it going for you?
It's going very well, very well. I'm enjoying the show immensely and we've had a lot of good inquiries.
Well, today so far we have been extremely busy. We've had a queue literally all day long.
Going very good. We're delighted. It's the first show of the season. We're a new venture launching into the Irish market, and I do automotive art.
Looking for you. I found you on the imp stand and you were literally people queuing up to talk to you about your imp or get a photo of you with the imp.